Apple has launched its all-new iOS 18 update in beta version, promising a more personal, capable, and intelligent iPhone experience. Excited to reveal the features? Today, we will discuss the top 5 features of the newly launched iOS 18 update and how it will enhance the user experience. Number 1. The new and enhanced Siri. Siri just got supercharged. With its deeper understanding of your language and what matters to you, it's ready to be your ultimate digital assistant. Number 2. Personalize your home screen layout. Give your home screen a whole new vibe. iOS 18 lets you customize app icons and widgets with a sleek dark mode. Plus, choose any color you like or get a suggestion that matches your wallpaper. And for those who like things big, you can even enlarge your favorite apps and widgets. Number 3. All new ways to play with text. Take your iMessages to the next level with animated effects. It's easier than ever. Just type your message, and iMessage will suggest playful animations for any word, emoji, or phrase. You can even choose from classic styles like bold and italics. Number 4. Notes app update. The Notes app now features Math Notes, which instantly solves formulas and equations as you type. This addition allows for quick calculations and provides immediate results, making it easier to work with mathematical content directly within your notes. Number 5. Eye tracking accessibility. The eye tracking feature in iOS 18 enhances accessibility by allowing users to control their devices using eye movements. This innovative feature tracks where the user is looking on the screen and translates these movements into actions, such as selecting items, scrolling, and navigating through apps. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite update is in iOS 18, and if you have any questions, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates.